Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a quite long time that I'm not posting any videos in YouTube because after Durga Puja, when Durga Puja started, I was very busy with other festivals and other upcoming festivals which were happening at my home, and we all were quite busy. So I couldn't balance everything, and it for 2 months I was not able to create any content. One more thing is that why I'm here. Me and my sister and all her friends, we planned for a picnic since it's December month. So it's already late. I mean, it's already 11:30 right now, and I'm supposed to sleep. So I'll see all of you next morning. So yeah, bye. So hi, good morning, and as you can see, I'm ready and I'll leave for the day. I think everyone is already in the car right now. I'm only the one who's making video. So yeah, see you. So we all reached, and we're gonna stay up here, and maybe we'll have our breakfast, lunch, and other few things over here. And yes, by then I'll show you little bit of nature wherever we have come up. जहाँ पर अभी हम आए हैं, ये एक this is one of the tea garden over all other tea gardens. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग जाएंगे थोड़ी देर बाद. Look at this place. We're gonna stay up here, this building, and I'll show you something a little bit of later, I guess. I think I cannot show you because that place is covered by this tea garden over here. I'll show this place later. So I'll take to the place जहाँ पे हम लोग अभी रुके हुए हैं for today, and this is the reception, and we will be staying over here. Girls, say hi. I guess you have seen the tea, how tea is processed, and how they package it, like from getting the tea leaves from the garden and then processing it and then packaging it like the end product. And so in very no time I'll show you the whole view of this place, of this beautiful place. And yeah, I'm waiting for others to come right now. So this is such a beautiful place. We have many other beautiful places. Like we cannot, we can't judge which is more nicer and which is more, okayish. But just look at the view. I wonder how will I go back to Bangalore, man. Seriously. I am here for such a long time now. And after 2012, this is the longest time I've been in home. So what I was telling that after 2012, like after I left home for studies, I got time to spend with my family, like after so many years, and I'll have a very heavy heart while leaving home, like when I'll go back to Bangalore. This will be a very tough for me, and the road is quite uneven, so I have to look down. And so yes, we'll wait for the others to come. I feel this is less of picnic and more of sightseeing because it's so pretty. I have few message for everyone who is watching my vlog right now. 2020 was so bad for us, for all of us. Like we have seen so much of loss, so much of deaths all around of our near and dear ones. I hope, we should end up our December 2020 in a very good note. Stay close to your family, with your friends and your loved ones, and I hope 2021 brings good results for us. Good news for all of us. And I just pray to Almighty that everyone stays healthy and safe. I'm so much emotional right now. Very much, because 2020 was, I think for everyone, it was very bad. So in my whole life journey till now, I haven't seen such a merciless year. So but anyway, some things are bound to happen without our choice, so we are just here to accept everything and just go on and move on. So we are back from tea garden now, and we'll probably have our lunch right now, and after lunch I'll show you one more beautiful place. So our lunch got over, and I told you that I'm going to show you one more beautiful place. So this is basically a pond filled up with lotus plants everywhere. So now we will go to my dad's brick kiln area, and there we're gonna see the process, how bricks are made, like from scratch if possible. I don't know what's up to there right now. So we reached dad's brick kiln, and it's quite a huge area. I don't know how much area I'll be able to cover. So this area which you see over here, this area is to just keep the bricks over here and dry them. So all the bricks over here, they're just drying up. As we all have seen few glimpses of our brick kiln, and I tried to cover all the important areas. We'll be going back to home, and I shall see you after I reach back home. So hi guys, I'm back at my home, and I have to change all of this dress. I have to take shower and everything. So yeah, I hope this is done and we are done for the day, and I hope to come back to you with different videos, and stay tuned. Till then, take care of yourself, be safe, and love you guys. Bye.